I'm not ready yet, ready to forget now. I'm not ready yet, ready to forget. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
Then you came into the bedroom. First thing you saw was they sleeping so soundly. His one leg is wrapped around your pillow and his cheeks are pressed into the pillow, which makes him look cuter. You slowly went towards him and shook him softly, but he didn't move an inch. So you start kissing his whole face before saying, "Babe, get up, baby, honey." You pecked his lips. "No, babe, please, let me sleep for some more minutes." Saying that, he turned around. Now his back is facing you. Then an idea popped into your naughty mind. I immediately sat on his back before whispering seductively in his ear, "Daddy, are you ignoring me? Then we decided to spend some time together, hmm?" Hearing this, he immediately turned around, taking me under him, and stared at me. Then suddenly he pecked my lips before saying, "Baby girl, are you seducing me? That too early in the morning?" I, tell me, darling. He said, pecking my lips again. Is daddy seduced?" "Yes, baby girl. So shall we have quickie?" he asked. "No, baby, please get up now. It's enough," I said. "Okay, you go. I will come after taking a shower, hmm? Or I have another idea too. Why don't we shower together? What say?" he said, smirking wickedly. "Sorry, Tay, but I already took shower, and you go," I said, smiling innocently. "By the way, baby, you are looking super hot in this shirt of mine. Just sexy enough to turn me on," he said with a teasing smirk, and I know what he is thinking. Well, I wore it intentionally. So I shyly looked down before saying, "Thank you. I'm going now," I said and grinned from there to hide my tomato cheeks. I am sitting on the chair as my baby is serving the food on my plate, but I saw her taking another plate, immediately held her hand before saying, "Baby, you don't need to serve yourself in another plate. We will eat in one plate, okay?" She nodded silently. Saying that, she was about to sit on her chair beside me, but I made her sit on my lap, one hand on her waist, gripping her securely. "Your look. Tay, let me feed you." Just like that, she fed me and I fed her. But in between, her heavenly body kept distracting me, making it hard enough for me not to stare at her treasure. She shyly looked down. After eating breakfast, they decided to watch a movie together. As it seems a month since both watched a movie, laying on couch, cuddling and watching. In between the movie session, Taeyong sometimes taking glances of her, pecking on the top of her head, kissing her lips. Both were happy in each other's arms, feeling warmth and listening music too, like heartbeats of each other. Cool breeze coming from the window, making the couple hug each other tightly. While watching the movie, a scene came in front of them in which main leads were lying exactly like them and were kissing softly. After seeing this scene, you immediately turned your face towards him before saying, "Tay." "Yes, darling," he replied softly. You hesitated, so he asked again, focusing totally on you now. "What happened, love? Do you want something?" "Yes, I want something," you replied a bit confidently. Then tell me, Jagya." He asked seductively. I was just asking that, why are you not kissing me? Didn't you feel anything by watching them kissing?" "So, you want to kiss me, hmm?" Saying that, he pulled you up softly by holding your waist and attached his soft cherry like lips to yours, taking you under him, kissing you while softly sucking your upper lip and tracing his tongue over on lower lip, asking you to open your mouth. You open your mouth for him but immediately closed after licking his lip. He stares at you sharply before saying in husky voice, "Baby girl, don't tease daddy, or if I start teasing you, then you'll see what will happen," he said while hitting his lips. You giggled hearing him, but according to your small brain, it was his punishment for not giving you his time in these past few weeks. You gave him a soft smile and peck on nose before attaching your pink lips to his. He immediately entered his tongue into your mouth, making you caress his curly tangled hair. His hands made their way towards your waist under your